The freelance writing mistake costing you $200 per day isn't your pricing, it's your process. I've watched writers charge $300 per article and still struggle to pay rent. Then I watched a writer using the exact same rate hit $300 per day. Same skill, same clients, different system. Here's what nobody tells you about freelance writing in 2025. You spend 3 hours researching, another 2 hours drafting, an hour editing, and you submit one article. 6 hours of work for $300. Meanwhile, your client needs 4 more articles by Friday. You say yes because you need the money. Then you pull an all-nighter, burn out, and deliver mediocre work. I know this cycle because I lived it, and so do 76.4 million other freelancers in the US right now. The problem isn't your writing speed, it's that you're doing everything manually when an AI writing assistant for freelancers could handle the grunt work. But here's where most freelancers mess up with AI. Step 1. Flip the research problem. Traditional writing starts with research. You Google for hours, open 50 tabs, then forget which stat came from where. AI flips this. Tools like SEOengine.ai analyze your top 20 competitors first. They find gaps those articles missed, they pull real questions from Reddit and LinkedIn, your job changes. Instead of finding information, you're filtering the best information. One freelance writer reported saving 8 hours per week just on research. That's an extra article every single week. That's $1,200 more per month at $300 per article. Want to know what separates amateurs from pros here? Step 2. Train AI on your voice. Generic AI content sounds like generic AI content. Your clients can tell. That's why most freelancers avoid AI completely. But smart freelancers do something different. They train the AI on their own writing. Upload 3 to 5 examples of your best work. Quality tools analyze your sentence patterns, vocabulary choices, even your perspective style. SEOengine.ai does this with 90% accuracy in blind test, meaning clients can't distinguish between your original content and AI-assisted drafts. Your style, your voice, 5 times the output. That's the actual secret behind writers hitting $300 per day. Step 3. The $5 math. Most AI tools charge monthly subscriptions. $49, $79, even $150 per month. That's fine if you're producing 50 articles monthly, but freelancers don't work like that. Some months you have 10 clients, some months you have 2. Subscriptions waste money during slow periods. SEOengine.ai charges $5 per article. No subscription, no credit systems. You pay when you produce. Write 1 article this week, $5. Write 20, $100, your margins stay healthy because your costs scale with your revenue, not before it. Looking at this table, how much time do you feel you could save while still getting high accuracy results? Research time. Traditional freelancing takes 3+ hours, while AI-assisted workflows bring it down to around 30 minutes. Drafting time. A traditional draft takes about 2 hours, whereas AI can reduce this to roughly 45 minutes. Articles per day. A traditional freelancer usually completes 1 article per day. With AI assistance, that increases to 3-5 articles. Monthly output. On average, traditional output is 20 articles per month. AI-assisted output ranges from 60 to 100 articles. Voice consistency. Traditional writing always matches the writer's voice. AI now maintains up to a 90% voice match. Subscription waste. Traditional tools continue to charge even during slow months. AI-assisted systems bill only when in use. Cost per article. Traditional editing writing charges are based on time, while AI-assisted writing keeps it at a flat $5 per article. Let me show you what this looks like in practice. Before AI assistance, 1 article per day, 6 hours of work, $300 revenue. After implementing this system, 4 articles per day, same 6 hours, $1,200 revenue. The math works because research drops from 3 hours to 30 minutes. Drafting drops from 2 hours to 45 minutes. Your editing time stays the same because that's where your expertise matters. Writers using AI tools report saving 1 to 2 hours per article. At a $100 hourly rate, that's $100 to $200 saved. On a $5 tool, that's 20 to 40 times return on investment. I know what you're thinking. But wait, here's why pay-as-you-go matters more than any feature. 64% of freelancers say they wouldn't return to traditional employment, but 44% depend on freelancing as their main income with inconsistent client volume. Subscriptions punish you during slow months. Pay-as-you-go rewards you during busy ones. SEOengine.ai gets this. $5 per article. Unlimited words, brand voice profiles for every client, WordPress integration so you publish directly, no monthly fees bleeding your account when clients are quiet. That's how freelancers actually scale, not by working more hours, by making each hour produce more output. Here's your next move. Try SEOengine.ai with 1 article, $5. You want more tactics for scaling your freelance income? Hit subscribe. The best time to change your process was last year. The second best time is right now.